Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we're going to do a shorter version of what cruisers want today. We are currently out sailing on board Liberty of the Seas, but I thought we would go ahead and keep our conversation going even while we are away from the home studio. So here is going to be our question for the day, and let's see if you guys agree or disagree with what this cruiser wants. I am sitting now on the Lido deck of the Vista, having morning coffee. Why is there no news playing in the jumbo screen? The first thing most Americans do in the morning is watch the news. We should have the news playing on the jumbo screen. Can you get this done? All right, so up on the Lido deck, big giant screen, every morning, the news playing there for everybody. Now, me personally, I do like to get up in the morning, and I usually will flip on the news to watch the weather. That way I can see how it's going to be over, today and the next couple of days, kind of keep up with that. Other than that, I personally do not watch a whole bunch of news there on the TV. If anything, I go through cruise news and stuff like that, but that's really about all of the news I follow with any kind of consistency. But if you're going to put news up there on the Lido deck, which news do you pick? Is there one out there that's suitable for everybody? I mean, I'm sure you hear it all the time. This news leans this way. This news leans this way. This news is biased. Which news do you put up on the screen that is suitable or would please everybody? So if you were to put up there, and I'm not picking one that I like or dislike or have any opinion on, I'm just giving a name here. But if you were to put CNN up there, well, how many people whose favorite news is Fox would be upset? Or if you put Fox up there, how many people whose favorite news was MSNBC would be upset? Which one do you pick that you put up there that satisfies thousands of people on board a cruise ship? Or do you go with the least offensive option and put no news on the screen like they do right now? I wonder if that's why they already do it, because how do you pick which one to put up there? Because I guarantee you it's not going to make everybody happy. So no, when I'm up on the Lido deck first thing in the morning, I do not have the urge to watch any news. If I really want to sit down and watch some news, I can go to my cabin. There's usually some type of news on there, or you can access the news from the internet. So my opinion, no news on the jumbo screen. But of course, you guys let me know. What do y'all think? Should the news be there or should it not? All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, short video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.